So I just want to cut a little bit of the plastic off, not a lot. Make sure it doesn't go in your chocolate. And then I'm just going to take this, and first I just want to come right down here on the edge. And just kind of do a straight line. Kind of a straight line, I said, not a straight line.
Yeah. Ish.
Yeah.
Straight-ish.
Straight-ish.
Line.
And then just kind of come up and just do some little swirlies like this, and then come back underneath.
These are freehand waves.
Freehand waves. You can make a pattern. Like I was actually looking for a pattern, but I didn't see any I liked. And it has to be kind of more solid, so you don't see the underneath part.
Yep.
So it was kind of hard to find one. Oh, must be a lump of chocolate in there. Ew. And sometimes I'll just come and do these taller ones first. So again, I don't want to go past like that line right there. And then just come back and do some short ones. And then we're just going to kind of wiggle it. Because you don't want it to be totally smooth anyway, since it's the waves. So I'll even kind of swirl it around a little.
Wave-like.
Wave-like,
Gotcha.
yes, very wave-like. It's very rough seas. Very rough.
Okay. And just straight on your acetate paper then.
Straight on my acetate.
All right, so when
Or
that
not
dries,
so straight on my acetate.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wavily on your acetate.
Yes. Oh, got to pick up the hot bowl again.
Uh-oh.
Whew, this is a dangerous job, people.
Yeah. That's why you get the big bucks.
It's not for sissies.
No.
Nope. We don't have any sissies out there, do we?
No, yeah.
No, yeah?
Yeah, well.
No.
Throw a comment in the chat if you're a sissy. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead and admit it.
Let us know. Yeah. All right. So just two different colors of blue, willy-nilly.
Yeah, willy-nilly.
All right.
Yes, willy-nilly style. And you can always do one layer and let it set up a little and then come back and do another layer. As you can see, it's kind of thick, so it's going to take a little while to set up. That's why I want to do this first.
How long do you expect?
It's hot, so I don't know.
Like an hour?
Probably an hour, yeah. You don't want to refrigerate it because it'll curl. And the thing is, you have to watch it because we want it to be like the perfect temperature so that we can bend it. Perfect temperature so that we can bend it without it sliding off. So if I picked it up right now, obviously it would all slide off, right?
Yeah, a slidey mess.
A big slidey mess.
Slidey mess, yeah.
So it's just got to be just right so we can pick it up and stand it up like that without it cracking also. This one actually cracked a little bit here, right here.
But you can cover that up with a
yeah, actually what I should do
coating
while it's
chocolate.
standing up is I should... Since I got rid
this
of
is
my
the repair
bag,
right now. There you go.
And I actually just stuck my hand in this one.
Okay.
There we go.
There you go.
I'm a Smurf.
There you go.
Nice.
Good.
Again, not for sissies.
Yeah.
Right? You can't be afraid to get a little messy. Right?
Yeah.
Right, boys?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
I don't have a problem getting messy.
Right. Okay, now
But it's
this
pure
might
chocolate,
get messy.
so, that's always good. You can break off a piece of wave later on when you're serving it.
You want a piece? Here you go.
Everyone's going to love it. There you go. Nice.
All right. So I'll move this up there. And it's your job, everyone out there, to make sure that if I forget about that you tell me when it's time.
Okay. I'm sure they'll know.
Yeah,
it's totally
you'll
out
just
of
know.
scene. It's out of camera range. They can't see it well, but it'll be their job anyway.
Yes. Just
keep
guess.
reminding us every 30 minutes.
Right. Okay, let me dry this. Okay, so now we can go ahead and talk about what we're going to do here because I have no idea.
Excellent.
So it would be good to go over it so I can get a visual.
Good.